To get started with Lumio from Smart Notebook, first access your WASD dashboard. Then find the Smart Learning Suite right here. Select that. You may be asked to input your credentials and give yourself a name. This is whatever you want your students to specifically call you. For example, I used Mr. W. Now, you're accessed into your Lumio dashboard. Here, this should have your name in the top left-hand corner and your class ID on the right. This class ID will never change and will always be assigned specifically to you. If you ever need to change this class ID, go to Edit Class and Reset Class ID. I don't recommend you ever rename your class, but you could also edit your class banner to give it a little bit of a more personal feel. Now, when your students log into hellosmart.com, they just enter your class code. Let's start one of our Lumios. If you're presenting a Lumio, you always have the option to remind students of your class code here on the left. Just select the icon that's two people, and you'll see all of your students who are signed into your Lumio listed right here. I recommend you remind them to use real names so they're easily identified. At the top, you'll also see your name and your class code. If your students need a reminder on how to access your class, you can always select the pop-out box here. That reminds students to go to hellosmart.com and enter your class code. I recommend pushing hellosmart.com out as a link, and once your students have first accessed your class, your name will appear under their teacher list.